Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to share with you the paper collection that I have chosen from Creating with Jovi on YouTube from her Etsy shop as part of her design team for this current year. So I have chosen to use Haunted Mansion, and I think there's a lot of people doing Halloween crafting right now. Actually, I just finished a little Halloween project myself, which will be shared probably, it may be shared already by the time this video posts. But anyway, I just want to go through the paper collection quickly with you and remind you that Jovi has an Etsy shop where she sells digital paper collections, handmade journals, and some other vintage type crafty goodies on there. So be sure to check that out, and also check out all the other design team members. I will have them listed in the description box down below. And yeah, so let's just dig right into this paper collection. So I did print this collection. It is an 8.5 by 11, and it has a lot of pages. I actually printed these double-sided this time around. Last time with Mouse Travels, I did not double-side them, but I've learned a few things since then, so we're trying to improve. So that way I won't have the white pages on the back side. And if I need more of any sheet, I can always just print them. So anyway, we have got a number of absolutely stunning Haunted Mansion photos, or images, I should say. So you can see this one here, very creepy with all the bats. And this is what I've got on the back side. It looks like a haunted dining room. And look at here, I'm just going to give you a close-up. There's a little mouse on the table and a little spider right there. So Jovi has a little bit of humor in her creepiness. There's a little spider right here as well. And this is actually a repeat page. I was testing my printing, so that's two of the same one. Then we have this one here with this gorgeous image, and it's kind of see-through, so it's almost like a ghost image, and has some ivy on there. We've got another haunted castle here. Very awesome. And this is really a dark paper collection with a few lighter pages thrown in. So we've got this one. I think this one may be my favorite page from the entire collection. We've got the crow here, and here we've got a couple of creepy spiders with the funny eyes, little googly eyes. Okay, so that's that one. And then here is a repeat of that page, but the back is this. So this one is a split page. We got the spider web, which runs through the whole thing. And then this side, we have a little staircase running up through a haunted mansion. This one is a repeat page. I thought I might use this more than once. And then here is another creepy mansion. Very nice images. We've got a castle here with all the bats, and then we've got a scary cat here. And speaking of scary cats, my kitty is sitting right here next to me, so he may just walk across the screen soon. And then we have this one here with the skull, and then she's got some spiders in there, and there's a shadow of a cat here. We've got this one, which I think is a really cool page as well, with the spider webs, the bats in front of the moon, and the creepy dead tree. We've got this one here. Very cool. Love the moon. And we have this one that's got a splash of color in it. And once again, we have the black cat. Very cool. And then here's one of the light images. Love the little archway here and the big doors. Really, really nice. And here is a gorgeous image as well. Look at how ornate all of this is. Okay, here comes Kiki. Go on, little one. Go on. Go sit down. So this is a really cool picture. And this is the back side. It's kind of like a ghost image there. And let's see. We've got some ephemera here. And yeah, I think that's it for the image pages. And now we've got the ephemera. And I did just print these single-sided. Lots of gorgeous tags and printouts. Got some strips here we can use. Love the crow and the typewriter. And then here we've got, oh, this is really pretty. With the black flowers. Dahlia with the moth. Vintage stamps. And then we've got some fall type images here. That's really nice. And then we've got this one here. Got a lot more color. So you can bring color into whatever project you're using the creepy pages with some of these pages. Or some of these images. And this one here. Love this here with the clock. Very nice. We've got some wax seals. Here we've got some pumpkin images. I like the torn pages here because you can actually fussy cut around there and use those as little corner pieces. Very nice. We've got the gramophone. And the last page is this one. And here is that statue there again. We've got a grandfather clock with some creepy waxy candles there. Some beautiful images here. Oh, look at this with the eyeballs. Some books for your library, and then this one here. So that is it. That is Haunted Mansion from Creating with Jovi on YouTube, and these are available for purchase on her Etsy shop. Very economical, so if you decide to pick this up and you create a project, I would love to see it. So post here on YouTube and tag me so I can come and see, or just post some pictures of your project on my community page so I can check them out there. But yeah, so I just want to remind everybody that I will be creating at least one project this month out of this collection. It's a rather large collection, and like I said, I did print these two-sided, so I'm guessing I may have more than one project. If you want to be entered to win one of the projects that I create with this paper collection, be sure to watch all of my Creating with Jovi videos throughout the month, and the first week of September I will draw a winner for one or more of the projects. So that's what I've got to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of this really creepy paper collection. Thanks for everybody for stopping by, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.